Ahoy, mates! Today, you and your shipmates will design a game inspired by the Age of Exploration. It's going to be full of daring voyages, discoveries, and adventure, I hope. Your mission, you and your crew are the game designers. Create a board game that takes players on adventures from the Age of Exploration. Feature famous explorers like Magellan, da Gama, and Columbus, and more if you wish. Use navigation tools such as the compass, crossstaff, or astrolabe to guide your gameplay. Write very clear rules so anyone can join the voyage. Create cards, tokens, or pieces that fit your game's theme. Show maps or routes from the Age of Exploration. Make sure you clearly label maybe continents, oceans, landmarks. Use that color and creativity and detail to make your board fun and easy to follow. Help players learn about explorers, who they were and where they traveled, the navigational tools, how sailors found their way, maybe some motives about finding gold or glory or God, or having challenges along the way, such as storms, scurvy, pirates, and rival nations. Try these explorer activities. Build cards with facts about Ferdinand Magellan, Vasco da Gama, and Christopher Columbus. On the board, players can meet explorers and earn points by identifying their journeys and wins. Include missions to follow, an explorer's path, or trade trip. Last, some resource cards such as gold, spices, or maps that players can maybe trade or earn. You could add spaces labeled glory or gold found where players gain rewards, or maybe even have cards like convert natives, gain 2 mission points, or claim land for Spain, advance to the next continent.